Welcome back, adventurers. We joined the three amigos on their last day of the Nevada tour. Here we are riding the Powerline Road on our way to the Burrow Wash. Now, the videos we had seen, doing a little bit of research, didn't make it look like what it turned out to be, but let's just say getting to the Burrow Wash is a bit more straightforward than getting back out of the Burrow Wash, so keep that in mind. Also stay tuned to the end to find out how this trip influenced the move to New Mexico and why I've been gone for so long. Anyway, on with the show.
The soft suspension just flies.
Yeah, I mean, if you you can just see your suspension not working. It took me 3 days, but I finally got all my shit together.
So it basically took till day 3 till I got all my technological stuff figured out, and ironically, the worst at navigation would have the only tracks to the Burrow Wash. So, full of piss and vinegar from the Offspring concert the night before, headed off first.
Good, Steve.
This is that bumpy that's just bumpy to be bumpy.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my god.
Good.
Give me like 1 minute to rest my hands. That's just.
I saw your suspension to start out with. That's why I keep saying, you good?
Oh jeez.
Brooks.
These are some sharp ones. They'll kick you.
Yeah.
Is that good or bad?
Super fun.
Oh, I see it. Yep.
Oh, this is a nice spot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pause. I bet. These rocks are embedded and sharp. Go ahead, Steve.
Sure.
Yeah.
It's slow behind me.
I got my Offspring buzz all out of the way just that first start. I survived that. Now it's just time to video.
All right.
The uphill that won't stop on the way back.
Yeah.
Yep.
Especially that last 100 yards. Oh, straight or left?
To the left.
Shit.
Hey, look, Steve, I'm used to what direction.
All right.
There's a first for everything. Oh.
Wow, that was slick.
A little bit of pea gravel.
A little bit of pee caused me a little bit of pee.
So, yeah, this is correct.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, okay. My bike wants to go up that hill.
This is where we drop into that canyon.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, we're off the line. We should have actually gone up that uphill. Yep, here comes Lonnie.
Well, this looks like the fun road, so I didn't think that was it.
Nope, this is the way.
Yep, I'm good.
Oh, Steve's not gonna love this.
Yeah, what the hell? There! That would just go right down.
We all made it down safely to the creek bed, which by the time you get to this point, you're kind of home free to the wash. But yeah, you got to go right back up that stuff that you just came down.
Looks like we made it.
Well, that's enough futzing around, because after all, we got to get back for the old foosball championship tournament, because it is Foosball Sunday.
Oh, I think we're supposed to go up this.
Oh,
Yep.
crap.
Ta-da!
All right.
Just like that. Yep. Oh, oh,
Nope, nope, nope.
mean, it's theoretically better, but sometimes the problem with focusing on which way to go is if the bike doesn't take you there, you're just not agile enough to react. Just
All right.
get up on the pegs and let the suspension work and just keep the gas on.
Oh my God, what am I doing?
We're off here.
What's that?
You say what?
We're off here.
Oh. I thought you said, do you want a beer? And I was like, yeah.
I said that a little while ago, but the connection had dropped, so yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I definitely gotta inspect my bike. I seem to have extra rattles.
I think you added to your winter maintenance list.
We later found out why Steve was having such a rodeo of a time and hearing a little bit of extra noise, due to this. A rear spring torn in half. Thanks so much for sticking around. Stay tuned for the next set of videos, which is pretty much going to be traveling around and exploring New Mexico. Given that it has pretty much year-round riding, which I found out I absolutely love when I went to visit Las Vegas. So, we're going to give it a try. If you have any fantastic roads or routes that you could recommend, please let me know, because I'm all ears. I have no idea about anywhere around this place other than it's got stuff.